Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E in hair, updated. Apply vitamin E oil to damp hair in sections, massaging from roots to ends for 5 to 10 minutes, then leave on for 30 minutes to 1 hour before washing with a mild shampoo. Use a carrier oil if pure vitamin E is thick, and perform a patch test to avoid irritation. Repeat once weekly and adjust frequency based on hair response. Start by selecting a topical vitamin E oil designed for skin and hair. Avoid ingestible capsules unless you extract oil safely. Check the ingredient list for carrier oils like jojoba or coconut, and avoid products with heavy fragrances if you have a sensitive scalp. Always do a patch test on inner forearm before full use, and consider starting with once-weekly treatments to gauge your scalp and hair response. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel and helps me make more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great to keep nearby while you do hair masks and self-care, and it's got a neat design that fits in cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For an easy mask, pierce 1 to 2 vitamin E capsules into 2 tablespoons of carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and warm slightly to blend. Apply from mid-lengths to ends, avoiding excessive scalp application unless you have a dry scalp, and cover with a shower cap for 30 to 60 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, shampoo with a gentle cleanser, and condition as usual. Repeat every 1 to 2 weeks based on hair needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.